started about 4 years back in Delhi. It honestly started as an experiment. Where it's gone now is completely unplanned, in the sense that we never thought it would become so big. It's now in 4 cities in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore and Hyderabad, and it's going to go to even more cities now in the future. And I don't know, I mean, it's become more ambitious than I originally thought it would be. So it's also become a much bigger tent, in the sense that it's just not about comics, it's also about films, television, gaming, pretty much anything in popular culture. So in that sense, it's gone strength to strength in the past 4 years.
Here we are with the cast of Balveer. Hello everyone.
Hello.
So today finally they have Pepperscript has launched Sabke Comics, so which is based on your serial as well, one of the comic. So how's the feeling?
I'm feeling little nostalgic also कि मैं ये comics पढ़ती थी, मैं ये करती थी, but I'm really grateful to God that I have been given a chance with my co-actor Dev Joshi, जो बालवीर का रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं, कि इस शो में आने के कारण मुझे कॉमिक्स में आने का मौका मिला. So I'm feeling really excited about it.
And what about you?
जब मैं छोटा था तो ये सारी कॉमिक बुक्स पढ़ता था, लेकिन जब आज मैं बड़ा हुआ और मुझे पता चला कि मेरे शोज़ की भी मेरी भी कॉमिक बुक निकल रही है और वो बच्चे पढ़ पाएंगे, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मेरी भी एक कॉमिक बुक निकली है और मैं भी ये ज़रूर पढ़ूँगा.
Just tell me, how did the association happen with Sub TV and Cartoon Network?
We have been trying to, revive those good days when people used to actually read comics and not get so involved with internet, TV. So we wanted to do something which everybody would love. And Sub TV shows are pure family shows, pure entertainment. There's nothing that, you should not watch or you should watch. There's no, kind of restrictions on anything. So we always wanted to do something like that. And we were trying to get in touch with Sub TV to the same things. They reciprocated and it was very nice. I mean, it was wonderful. We just got it and we were very happy about it.
We are here with Nick Spencer, who's the very famous comic writer who has written comics for DC Comics.
I mean, these are a couple of my projects at Image. This is Morning Glories, which I do with a great artist named Joe Eisma. It's all about these 6 teenagers who are finding themselves trapped in a boarding school run by mysterious forces, and they're trying to escape. It's a very fun book. And then this is Thief of Thieves, which I did with Robert Kirkman, of The Walking Dead and Sean Martinborough. It's about a thief who has decided he's only going to steal from other criminals.
We are here with Nicholas Wilde, who's the author of Kabul Disco. Hi Nicholas.
Hi.
How's the experience? How's Comic Con going?
So far very good, yeah. It started this morning, so just keep meeting a lot of people, chatting and drawing and exchanging and yes, very nice.
And now can we talk about your Kabul Disco? What is it all about? What's the story? And what inspired you to write this novel?
Actually, that's a novel I wrote already 8 years ago. But there's 3 books altogether and I'm finishing the 3rd one. So that's pretty much the story of my life in Afghanistan. I used to work there on working in communication. So through my work and through my colleagues, I'm telling the story of the country and what happens in actual times, geopolitics. But it's actually more like a fun book with a lot of bizarre people and characters. People you meet over there are quite interesting to work with.
This is my first 10 minutes and I've just walked into the Star Wars zone, which is just super fun.
How was it? How was the experience?
It's amazing, man. I'll tell you why it's amazing, because it's happened to us so late. And in India, I mean, we've all been lovers of Amar Chitra Katha and Tinkle and whatnot, and there's so many, from Chacha Chaudhary to Sabu to Nagraj to Dogra to many others. So I think that it's just such an amazing experience. I only see happy people roaming about.
Favorite comic?
Of all time? Wow. I used to love Asterix. I used to love Commando, the Commando comics that used to come. I love Amar Chitra Katha for whatever said and done. It's one of my favorite stuff. I'm going to go check out quite a few graphic novels that are coming out of our country. I read a few and they were amazing. But I think the ones that I always go back to are those.
And one, if you see yourself as a superhero, which superhero will that be?
One already made, or can I have my own powers? I'd go for like a... my favorite superhero when I was a child was Spider-Man. Because I think he had a bit of a sense of humor and whatnot, and then Superman is always... So Superman is the original superhero. He's from outside, he's got unbelievable powers. I'd just be like a lame superhero. I think my laziness would get in the way of my genuine need to help people out. Yeah, like I'll fix your toaster, or like, if your gas pipe is not working or something like that. I'd be lazy. If you can't find your house keys, you can call me. House key man.
In terms of comics industry, it's a small industry, it's a very niche industry. It's solely surviving on passion right now. It's very difficult to be a comic book publisher in India because it's very difficult to put your books out. But at the same time, when we started Comic Con, there were about 5 new comics a year. Now there are 25 or 30 comics a year. So it is growing, and it's growing in quality as well. So I mean, future-wise, it is hopeful, but it's a very tough industry to be in. If you want to check out the best in not just the comics industry, but animation and gaming and VFX in general, you should log on to animationexpress.com and check out some great content on the site.